Hey there, paint enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into a fun and creative project, painting a watercolor peacock. So, grab your brushes and let's get started. First up, we're going to paint the eye. Start by outlining the shape with a dark color, then fill it in. Once that's done, add some detail to make it pop. Next, we'll move on to the body. Let your imagination run wild as you create those feathers. Remember to blend the colors for a seamless transition. And don't forget about those beautiful beak and feet details. They really make our peacock come to life. Finally, it's time for those majestic tail feathers. Start with the base color of your choice and then add layers of different hues to achieve that stunning iridescent look. Keep in mind that watercolor can be unpredictable at times, so embrace those happy accidents and let them add character to your painting. And there you have it, folks. You just created a beautiful watercolor peacock. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and are inspired to try out more painting projects in the future. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more creative content like this one. Happy painting!